natulog siya sa lap ko kanina. Tapos, nilagay ko siya sa pad niya kasi I need to drink my coffee. It's, what time is it now? 9:35 in the morning. And I'm playing sleeping music for him. Coffee is so good. Go to sleep. You're so cute. Mommy needs to brush your hair. So cute. Such a good boy. Minsan na siya natutulog sa bed na to. Pero, lagi niya tong kinakagat. Mag-nap, take a nap. May buhok ako dito nakikita. Mommy's hair. Anyway, parang hindi ko na siya matapos ang suklayin, guys. Maya-maya na lang pag nag-expose na siya ng sarili niya. Ayoko siyang pilitin. Kasi oras ng tulog niya ngayon eh. So gusto ko siya natutulog lang palagi. Kasi pag ano siya, pagising, kagat ng kagat. Alam niyo ba guys, ang dami ko ng kagat sa aking kamay. Actually, binilhan ako ni Paul ng sleeve na anti-bite, anti-cut na sleeve. Actually, darating yun ngayon. Sana lifesaver yun para sa akin. Kasi si Matley talaga, kung saan niya ako kinagat. Ang dami kong pasa all over my body. Sa legs ko, dito, sa arms ko, sa kamay ko. Let me show you guys. Lagi ako naka-long sleeve dito sa bahay. Lagi rin ako naka-long pants. So, itong ganito, ganyan, excess na ano, gusto niya kinakagat niya to. Pati balat ko nakagat rin niya. Kasi, maano siya, very playful siya guys eh. Tingnan niyo yung pasa ng aking kamay. You see, I have so many bruises. Tapos may scratches pa ako dyan, no? Parang hiwa. Ayan, nag-ano na siya. But I have so many marks, bruises sa ngipin niya. Ayan. Atong kamay ko, madami. Ito, medyo ano na siya, naghilom na siya. Pero madami itong pasa, guys. Ayan, dito makikita niyo. And, ganun din sa kabilang side. Actually, guys, may nabili akong tangled spray para kay Matli. It's the coconut crush coat spray. So, ito yung in-spray ko sa coat niya. Maano siya, mabango. It smells like coconut. Pero yung aso, ayaw nila yung mabangong amoy. Si Matli, sumisinghot-singhot siya. Pag in-sprayan ko siya nito, nabili ko ito doon sa groomer niya. Nung pinuntahan namin last time. Kasi ito din yung scent na gamit nila para sa shampoo and conditioner niya. I'm not sure kung binigyan. Kung nilagyan ba siya ng conditioner. But for sure, yung shampoo niya, ito rin. So, binili ko rin ang detangler spray. Ayaw niya sa amoy. So, magiging ano na lang to. Paminsan-minsan, gagamitin ko to kasi yung aso, once a month lang sila nililigo. So, may paminsan-minsan gagamitin ko to. Kasi especially pag nilabas namin siya, pag pinaglaro namin siya sa labas ng bahay, pagbalik niya sa loob, may amoy talaga sila, guys. Amoy, parang, sabi nung groomer, parang wet dog daw ang tawag nun. Kasi yung hangin daw, yung pollution sa labas, yung air pollution, dahil makapal yung buhok nila, natatrap sa loob ng buhok nila. So, pagpasok sa loob ng bahay, may amoy sila na parang iba yung amoy, wet dog. So, sabi niya, ito daw ang ini-spray niya sa mga aso niya kasi meron siyang aso. Yeah, hello, Matli just walked on you.
Okay, give me a kiss.
Give my daddy a kiss.
One other one.
Another one. Oh, yes, mommy too. Thank you. Thank you. Daddy got nothing for you. They are not for you. They are not for you. Yes, Daddy.
Put your
Yes,
stuff
Daddy
in.
too. You need to go back to the car, Daddy? Yeah? That's Daddy's food. Oh! Okay, I need to put you down. You need to eat your dinner too. Oh, yawning. Yawning. Look, Matli is in the camera. Oh. Antok pa. Kagigising lang niya. Oh, what's that? No. Gusto niya bumaba. Gusto niya kagating yung rice cooker. Matli, Mommy will give you treats. You need to give you treats. Yeah, look. Daddy will be back. Ito yung luto ng daddy niya na treats and he loves it. Nakaka-addict, diba? Tingnan niyo yung mukha niya, guys. Pag treats na ang pag-usapan. You like it? Okay. Matli, sit. Give me your paw. Good boy. Yay. Such a good boy. No. Daddy will be back. Come. You need to eat your dinner, Matli. Scratching. Come.
Matli, no.
No, Matli. Don't go out.
No!
Matli. No. Come. Ay, naku. Gusto niyo naman sa tabi na. What? Oh, Daddy got me something. Popeye? Fried chicken from Popeye, honey. I thought you getting me
You want a
fried
chicken?
chicken. Yeah, I want a chicken. Fried chicken. I'm gonna eat Daddy, okay? Kain. Ito yung food ko. Wow! Sumusurprise ako ng asawa ko. This is their, Creole
I actually
cocktail
ordered that
sauce.
from the gym online.
Oh, okay. And then you just went there to pick this up?
So I got a lot of stuff.
Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here.
You know,
Looks good.
you see it.
Matley, no. Whoa.
I like that bark.
He wants your attention.
Let me see the food. He wants treats.
He wants his treats. Ooh. Oh, Daddy.
Oh, God.
Binabark na yung daddy niya. So weird. Oh my God, my french fries. Nag-ano ako. Nag-rice ako, guys. May fries pala. Ah, because Daddy did not pet him.
Such a cute. Ooh.
Dami. Oh my God. Did you also order? My God, honey, I have to put back my rice in the rice cooker. Ito yung binili na po, guys. Ito yung fried chicken nila. Parang Jollibee. Ang lasa din. Then, ito yung bread nila. Biscuit. And then, nag-order din siya ng tenders na ganito. Ayan. With fries. Ayan. Tapos, ito, ang daming fries. Tapos, may kanin. Itong kanin nila with, with beans sa ilalim. Parang, mash na beans. Tapos, nilagyan ng kanin. Tapos, nagluto ko ng kanin. Ito. Ramen to, guys. Actually, minimix ko sa rice. So, it's like rice with noodles. And then, yan. I cook that. So, hindi ako kakain yan. Ito na lang kakainin ko. Ibalik ko na lang to sa rice cooker. And then, ito yung sauce niya. Cocktail sauce. Actually, hindi pa to na-try before. Or I forgot. Oh, ito. Barbecue. Ito yung lagi kong tina-try. Barbecue one. Hindi na-pick up yung camera. And then, we have ito. Mga ketchup. Para sa fries. So, ayan. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Dito ko na lang nilagay yung ketchup. Ano na yung, masarap yung fries niya. Pero, dahil hindi siya fresh, kunat na siya. So, pero masarap. Breaded kasi siya, guys. Masarap siya na sauce, ha? And, manamis-tamis. Good. I like barbecue sauce. Smoky. Matley, are you a good boy? No biting, Matley. No biting. No biting. Hi, Daddy. Yeah, Daddy is going to make treats for Matley. Matley is biting Mommy's pants. Hi. Oh, God, stop it. Stop it, Matley. Stop it. Stop it. Stop biting Mommy. Stop biting. Stop biting Mommy now. Oh. Ouch. 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 You know what? You want to play with Mommy? Huh? What? Stop biting, Mommy. Stop biting. Stop biting. Stop. Good boy. Good boy. 100% pumpkin. And Daddy is preparing the baking sheet. Oh, the peanut butter. And this is the pumpkin. Can I eat this, honey?
Yeah. So I'll probably have to add more flour.
Okay. So 2 scoops of... So equal parts for everything?
That's about right.
Look, Matley, mommy is trying the pumpkin. Pumpkin. Let's try it.
Don't give him any.
Nope. Mmm. It tastes like sweet potato.
And then I'm also gonna make it with actual canned sweet potato.
And this is mixed now, Daddy?
No.
No.
Wash my hands.
Oh, you wanna use your hands? Mix it really good. And he was using the Quaker oat flour. Looks like making pizza.
Turn the oven to 300 preheat.
Okay.
300.
300. And start preheating. The tiny ones are for Motley.
Yeah.
Ooh. Bone.
Put them close together.
It's not cooked yet. Take a picture. Take a picture, Daddy.
Okay,
Daddy,
into the oven.
Into the oven.
In 30 minutes.
Yay! Binili ni Paul sandwich. Sandwich, honey, burger.
That's just fish sandwich.
A fish sandwich. Ito yung lunch ko. Let's try. It smells good. Why is this cold? Ah, ganyan sa loob. Yummy.
Motley's cookies.
Look at that. Smells so good. Oh, it smells so good.
Motley's cookies.
Hey, so happy. Try the treat. This is crunchy. There's no taste in here. Matabang na treat. Okay, sit. Matley, sit. Sit. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Good boy.
Did you hear the crunch?
It's not that crunchy. It looks like he likes it. He's still licking my hand.
Crunch likes it.
Yeah. Pupunta kami sa dog park. We're taking Matley out for a drive. Ayan, medyo kalmado na siya. Hindi na siya natatakot sa sasakyan. Ayan. Nainitan lang siya.
I think it's a poodle too.
No dogs in the park today. Oh yeah, look at that. They're like Maltese. They're not poodle, they're Maltese. Look, Matley, look. There's Matley. He's not interested. Matley, let's look at the dog. Yeah.
Look at those dogs.
Look at this dog. Look at these dogs over there. So cute. They have their little. Oh, he's not interested, Daddy. They have their clothes. He's not interested. He just wanna lay down.
Dogs.
Yeah. Why are you not interested? Look, maybe because of the sun, honey. The sun is.
Yeah, maybe.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. No one. Look at the dog. Look at the dog over here. Let's see the dog. Come.
Yeah, maybe the sun's in his eye, baby.
Yeah. So. No, you don't like the sun.
That
Look at the dog.
dog over there.
Over there. It's so cute. They're so cute. Yes.